Munchies, welcome to the channel. If you're new, I'm Alyssia. Today we are talking about digestion, and I am sharing some drinks that are specifically crafted with healthy digestion in mind. And one of the special ingredients we can thank is Sunsweet Amazing Prune Juice. Sunsweet Amazing Prune Juice is a great part of your daily health routine. A serving also provides 5 essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, riboflavin, vitamin B6, copper, and niacin to help balance and maintain your digestive health to help you feel your best. I've partnered with Sunsweet to share Sunsweet Amazing Prunes with you before. They're the feel-good fruit with 3 grams of fiber, no added sugar, and only 100 calories per serving, giving you the nutrition you need to feel good. But I haven't shared the prune juice with you yet, and we're going to use that in all of the recipes you're going to see today, celebrating Sunsweet's To Feel Good campaign. First up, I've got a nutty apple and prune smoothie. The recipe starts with some Sunsweet Amazing Prune Juice, which is 100% prune juice, no added sugar, and we've also got an apple. The skin of an apple contains pectin, a soluble fiber which helps with digestion and decreases inflammation, so I am not peeling mine today. Yogurt, which is great for probiotics and gut bacteria, almond butter, vanilla extract, and a pinch of cinnamon. It all goes into a blender and you end up with a delicious, nutty, sweet, and satisfying smoothie. What a great way to start out your day. It's so tasty and I love that it provides nutritious benefits without any added sugar. Next, how about a morning or afternoon pick-me-up with a spiced prune chai? I add some Sunsweet Amazing Prune Juice and water to a pot with crushed fennel seed, crushed and peeled ginger, and cinnamon powder and bring to a boil. Fennel is high in fiber and relaxes the digestive tract, which can help reduce symptoms like bloating and cramping. Ginger helps reduce gut inflammation and enhances nutrient absorption. Once that simmers for a few minutes, remove it from the heat and add a chai tea bag of your choice and steep for a few minutes, according to package directions. Remove the tea bag and strain the tea. Feel free to add a splash of coconut milk if desired. Wow, it's sweet and spicy. The natural sweetness of the prune juice means I don't need any additional sweetener, which is great. I love that splash of coconut milk because I love my chai tea with a bit of cream in it, but you can omit if preferred. The next drink is a refreshing one. Fizzy prune juice infused soda 2 ways. Of course, it's not really soda, it's sparkling water. And some studies have actually shown that carbonated water can aid in digestion. The first method combined prune juice and seltzer water to sweeten the bubbly water naturally. For a subtler flavor but fun twist, freeze your prune juice in an ice cube tray. And add those prune juice cubes to your seltzer water. So cool. Those ice cubes melt to give a bit more flavor to the water. I've got another smoothie for you, a Prunie fruity smoothie. This one uses Sunsweet Amazing Prune Juice, half of a banana, which has fiber for digestion and restores electrolytes and potassium, some frozen pineapple, which helps to reduce bloat, spinach, and actually many don't realize that leafy greens help fuel the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Some ground flaxseed, make sure you use ground because we actually can't digest the whole seed, but when it's ground, it's a great source of soluble fiber and omega-3s. And some yogurt, again great for probiotics. Into a blender it goes. Wow, this one is not short on sweetness thanks to the prune juice and fruit, but it's also filled with ingredients that will help keep your gut healthy. That is a win for sure. And I just love the color. Okay, I think we've saved the best for last. In honor of Sunsweet's campaign, I am sharing a hot chocolate to feel good. For this one, I used hemp milk. You can really use any milk you'd like, but hemp milk is great for digestion thanks to the omega-3s. To sweeten, I use Sunsweet Amazing Prune Juice, and optionally, you could add a teaspoon of maple syrup if desired. Cocoa powder, of course, it's hot chocolate, and did you know, using dark, unsweetened cocoa powder, the flavonols can become a prebiotic when digested. Prebiotics work with probiotics to balance bacteria in your gut. Cool! A little cinnamon, and optional, a pinch of cayenne, which has been used for centuries for digestive health. Blend it all together and then heat it to a light boil or simmer until warm through to your liking. Serve! Marshmallows are optional, but come on, it's hot chocolate. That prune juice gives a subtle tang and sweetness that actually pairs really well with the cocoa powder. It tastes indulgent, but is actually so nutritious. I hope you enjoyed these digestive health drinks. Sunsweet wants to know what you do to feel good. They're hosting a campaign where you can share your feel-good moments on social media, and for every person who shares, they are donating to the National Osteoporosis Foundation, which is amazing. Details on how to submit an entry using the tag to feel good are in the description box. Thanks so much for being here. Thanks to Sunsweet for sponsoring this video. I really do feel so lucky to work with such a wonderful company. I'll be back tomorrow with a brand new episode, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.